Hey everyone, today we're making the most nostalgic old school snack cakes. Soft, sweet, and absolutely perfect for lunchboxes, after school treats, or a grab on the go. Let me show you how you make them. First, in a large bowl, crack in 3 eggs and add 1 cup of sugar. That's roughly 4 tablespoons. Add a pinch of salt and 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Then whisk everything together until nice and smooth. Next, pour in 1 cup of oil. I'm using avocado oil, along with 1 teaspoon of vinegar and a little vanilla powder for that classic flavor. Now it's time to add the flour and baking soda and mix again until the batter is perfectly combined. This is the smooth, creamy texture you're looking for. I'm dividing the batter into 2 parts. Half of it goes straight into my baking sheets, and the other half is getting a chocolatey twist. To do that, I stir in half cup of coffee and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then I mix it up until rich and chocolatey. Now pour the chocolate batter over the plain one, and with a knife, gently swirl them together to create a beautiful marble effect. It's going to bake up looking so pretty. Bake your cake at 350 for about 20 minutes. Once it's done, carefully loosen the edges and cut it into snack-sized pieces, just like those classic old school cakes we all grew up with. Now for the fun part, the chocolate coating. Melt some dark chocolate or candy coating wafers with a little avocado oil until smooth and glossy. Then dip each cake piece into the melted chocolate and place them on parchment paper. Finish with a sprinkle of colorful toppings for that irresistible look. Let the cake sit in the fridge for a little while, and then they're ready to enjoy. You can pack them in a zip-top bag for lunch boxes, or store them in the fridge and grab one whenever you need a sweet treat. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy treats. And if you try these snack cakes, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your creations. See you in the next one.